There we go. Hey everybody, Ryan Hoffman here, Wholesale Capital Corporation, your direct mortgage lender doing mortgages for new home purchase, investment property purchase, refinance of existing mortgages. Hey, right now I want to talk to you about open houses and having a lender at your open house and doing follow-up with your lender from the open house. Now, whether I'm at the open house or if I'm not able to be there or if I just do the follow-up for leads that you capture from the open houses, it's always the same thing. I'm always going to be working on doing the triangle for trust. That's always saying like, oh, Bob and Susie Buyer, you were referred by Sherry. Oh, great. How did you meet Sherry? Oh, I met her at the open house. Oh, you are so lucky because not every agent you find at open house is actually really good. You are in really good hands. I've been working with Sherry for a while and she is the best. I love her to death. She's phenomenal. I'm going to make sure that I keep Sherry happy, so I'm going to make sure you guys have a great experience. See the triangle: client, Sherry, connection, connection, connection. Want to make sure we're reinforcing all sides of the triangle. That way, the client builds trust faster with you. They build trust with me because not only am I trying to help them get their loan, but I'm also trying to make sure to not mess up that relationship with that realtor. Helps on all different sides. So that's an example of why it's so important to have a lender there who and have a relationship with your lender, that when you refer people, get them on the phone as soon as possible with your lender. That way we can go ahead and get them connected. So whether I'm texting this video to you or you're seeing this on Facebook or on YouTube, give me a call. Let me know if there's anybody you want me to call, reach out to, and get set up for you. Phone number right there. Give me a call. Hope you're having a great day and hope you killed it this weekend. Have a great week. Bye bye.